This is a beautiful collection. This is your 4th of July gift because all of these are going to be $10.99. $10.99 today, tomorrow. And they are beautiful basics. This is a stretch woven. It's a cotton poly. I'm hoping the camera picks up on it. It has great stretch in one direction, so if you want to make a dressy pair of yoga pants, this is the time to do it, and this is the way to do it. You can use either side. Both sides are really usable, but it's just a really beautiful black. Again, $11.99. It's a giveaway price. It's not that I didn't pay more for them. It really is a gift. I just want to say thank you to you guys. This is a 100% poly, but it's a really pretty poly. It'd be great for linings or a blouse. And it's a dot, a little abstract dot. It is a woven. And just really pretty. Again, $11.99. This is a linen. It's 100% linen. And I know this is going to be gone for the first person who sees it because its value is way more. It is a woven. There's no stretch, just a mechanical stretch, but that's all. Very, very pretty, very beautiful. Just a real pretty piece of fabric. This is 100% cotton. This is a denim. It's a black denim. I don't know if you can see the twill weave. But typically denim has a black thread and a white thread. This is a black on black. It's 2 black threads, but it's the denim. It's a twill weave and really pretty. It is a stretch woven. It's not a stretch woven. That's my mistake. It's a woven. There's a mechanical stretch to it, but it's a denim that is not a stretch. It's beautiful. This is 100% viscose, $11.99. It's beautiful. Got great drape. Just a little mix it up with your black and white and just a little bit of blue in there. It's just a really pretty piece. This is a cotton poly viscose. That viscose gives it great drape, so this is probably the best draped of all. Well, the first one drapes really well, but this just has great drape to it. This is a stretch woven. I'm going to make sure of that before I say it. Well, it's not that. I mean, it is. Yeah, it is. It's a stretch woven. It's a stretch woven, just a beautiful piece of black. So $11.99, these are times to really put these in your stash because we just don't have these great blacks all the time. They're beautiful. So the goal is happy end of July 4th holiday. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.